Right there we have, and just slowing down, is PSA 5119 from Charleston. Flight time was 35 minutes, and the aircraft is a CRJ 900. And we have a Delta 77. I think we're going to end on him. Hopefully. We might end on the American, we might have end on the American 777 from London Heathrow. We'll see, depending on what runway they land on. Depends on what time. It depends on how I feel with the weather. It's freezing out here. We also have a breeze coming in soon, so see them as soon as possible. Well, there's no arrivals or departures, so I'm gonna put you over here so y'all can at least enjoy the airport for right now.
5427.
Okay, we're gonna go over here. Oops. There we go. That's perfect. Okay. Aircraft that you're seeing right now is American 3195 from Detroit. Flight time an hour 14 minutes. The aircraft is an A320. Visibility's clearing up. If the sun came out, it'd be nice. Tomorrow the sun was supposed to come out, but it would only be like an hour of sunlight, so I decided just to come today because I'm more busy tomorrow than today. So. Okay, we have a plane. This guy, losing internet connection here. Okay, this guy is PSA 5427, coming in from Pensacola. Flight time an hour 4 minutes, and it is a CRJ 900. wish I was here when that plane came in, but I missed it. But it's fine. No problem with that. Okay, we're going over to this departure. Taking off over here. Let's see. This is American 2909 to Destin Fort. Aircraft is an A321-200. The flight is 399 nautical miles, and flight time, hour 12 minutes. Let's go right there. My left hand is fine. It's my right hand that's like killing me from the coldness. Probably from gripping this. This handle's cold. Like a frostbite. That's how bad it feels. But it's fine. I don't really care as long as I'm giving out entertainment. We have 8 minutes till the 7.5 comes in. Okay, give you a heads up. Next departure is actually departing now. That is American Airlines 1360 to Avoca. The flight time is 1 hour 13 minutes, and that's a 442 nautical mile flight. The aircraft is an A319. Just rotating off the ground, yeah. Triple 7 maintenance over there. We'll stay with the departure here. Or actually, there's a CRJ getting off the runway now. That's PSA 5105 from Bennetville. Flight time 1 hour 32 minutes, and it's CRJ 900. And let's go to departure now. That is American 2576 to Chicago O'Hare. A 521 nautical mile flight. Flight time is about 1 hour and 34 minutes. Plane over here making so much noise. That is there is American 2019 from Phoenix, Arizona. Flight time 3 hours 17 minutes. That is an A321. That's good. Departure over here. The departure you're seeing right now is American 1158 to Phoenix, Arizona. Flight time for that one is an hour, 4 hour 9 minute flight, 1,541 nautical miles. Just got an approach here. It's the 757. Let me check. It might be the 757. 757 is still turning approach, but is on approach. Yeah, it's just a little guy. Thought it was a United or 77, but it's not. Okay. Ordering this arrival here. That is Piedmont 6096 from Gainesville. Flight time 58 minutes. It's an ERJ 145. Trying to make my hands warm by blowing on them. It's not working.
3116 now. 6 left, clear to land, American 3116.
Okay, now this I think is the United E1. Yeah, this one is Mesa Airlines 6202 from Houston. Flight time an hour 46 minutes. It's an E175. I think 757 is number 4 for arrival right now. And the Breeze Air is 8 minutes away right now. There we go. And the 777 usually operates on a 777-300. Today, a 777-200 from London Heathrow, which I kind of wanted the 777-300, but it's fine. It's still a big plane. Look at that guy coming. Number 3. There we go. Side of that guy. Let's go to this next arrival. Next arrival. Okay. That is American 3116 from Tampa. Flight time an hour 12 minutes. Hour 12 minutes. American Airlines A321. mostly arrivals today, because we're getting some good arrival planes today. Like Breeze usually doesn't fly here, and Delta 757s fly here occasionally. And the Breeze, I've never seen a Breeze here, so that's gonna be pretty cool thing to see. And right now there's no departures, like it's barely any. There's more arrivals than departures at this point. 757 number 2. Okay, let's get this next guy. Yeah, we're getting further visibility over there. I'm gonna put this thing at the rest.